Hello and welcome to my final project for CS496 mobile and cloud development. I am going to be showing my site on Chrome within the mobile emulator here. And my site is a fantasy football site where you can go in, create an account, add players, look at other people's teams, edit items for your team. Let's go ahead and get started here. I'm gonna put my URL up in the heading here and jump to it. All right, so here's my logon screen for the Fantasy Football Manager. So you got your username here and password. And I am running this for the Apple iPhone 5. We're going to go ahead and create a new account first. We'll say username, just so we don't forget it, BBB, Bob, Bradley. His team name can be the Bombers. Bombers. The Bombers. All right. Password. It defaults to password, so I'm just going to leave it in there so I don't forget it. All right. Create account. All right. So we should be good with our account created now. Let's type in our username, BBB, and I just, for testing purposes, filled this in with the password already. We're going to go ahead and log in. All right. So our options here. We are logged in as username BBB. Here we can go and see all of the coaches that are in our league. So the ones before Arthur Anderson, Gunnar Martin, Bob Bradley, the one we just created. So that's one entity. The other entity is all the players that are in league. So we click here, we can see all the players. So I'm going to click here to go back to main menu. The other items are to view the current user's team, view the current user's distance from the league's draft. So I set this league draft to be in Texas, and we'll go through that in a second. And then edit my account. So this is the first one I wanted to demonstrate. So we're in the account for username BBB. We go here. We can come in here and we can edit whatever we like. We could change our name to Bobbert and save that. Hopefully changes are saved. Go and view all coaches again. You can see my name is still Bobbert there. Let's add a player to Bob's team here. We're going to view Aaron Rodgers here. We can see this player's information. We can go here to add this player. We're going to add that player, so we're going to view Bob's team. We can see Rodgers here. He's a quarterback for Green Bay. We could remove him if we want to. We won't do that, but quite yet. So we'll go back to main menu. We're going to add another player. Let's add Andrew Luck. Add this player. View my team. Cool. We can see we got Rodgers, we got Luck, and we have the ability to remove. So Andrew Luck, actually we don't want you after all. We're going to hit remove. Player's been removed. Go back to view my team. No Andrew Luck, just Rodgers. Back to coaches. So what's unique about this account, we're logged in as Bob right now. We view Bob's team. We have the ability to remove players. But if we were to go to Arthur's account, you can see those buttons aren't available. We can't remove. That's not our account. We're just looking at somebody else's team. It's not our account. So back to coaches, and you can see when we view our team, we have our name up here. We're the Bombers. We have one player. So let's go back to coaches. I'm gonna log out, and we're gonna create another account. We'll call this new user CCC Cam Cook. His team name's the Cats. C-A-T-S, cats. We'll leave the password default. Create the account for Cam Cook. We're going to log in, username CCC. Log in. Here we can view coaches. Here we are, Cam Cook. We can see Bobbert Bradley, his team here, the Bombers. Aaron Rodgers that we added before, we can see him. We can go back to coaches. If we look at our team currently, we don't have any players right now, so we need to go add. Let's go add a player. Let's add Matt Ryan here. Add this player. Can view my team. So Cam Cook. We added Ryan. Let's go add one more player. Newton. Add this player, view my team. Okay, cool. So now we have Ryan and Newton, and actually Ryan, we're going to get rid of you. We're just going to keep Newton. View my team, just Newton. So, Cam Cook, if we look at our team, our name is the Cats. We're going to go to our account settings. We're going to change it to the Cops. Save, view my team. You can see our team name is changed to the Cops. Go back to coaches. Let's go to main menu. We're going to log out and we're going to log back in as Bob. Username BBB. So now if we view coaches, we can see Cam Cook, Bobbert Bradley. Cam, we can see that his name is still the Cops. And if we look at our team, our name is still Bobbert. We're still the Bombers, and we could go add players if we wanted to. So now you can see, we got the accounts functioning. All of the work is being done on the back end through the API it built a couple assignments ago, and I have it running on the same machine on a different port. So we've gone through view coaches, we've gone through view all players to look at the players and add players. We've gone to view my team. So let's go view draft distance. So I set we click here. This is the mobile, kind of the mobile specific part of the application. I'm in Atlanta currently, and I set the draft to be in Texas, which is a little ridiculous, but I needed it to be somewhere that I was not. So we're going to go ahead and click see my distance. Click that there, and we can see it pulled the draft location is Austin, Texas. We're currently in Atlanta, Georgia. The distance is 960 miles there, about 14 hours away. So good stuff. Main menu. All right, that is about it. Just need to make sure I checked all the boxes here. We logged in on a few different accounts. We added data, we changed data, we deleted data, and we could even, I'm logged in as Bob right now, we could even delete Bob's entire account here, log back in. We'll log in as AAA, view coaches, and we can see Bob's gone. So we deleted players, we deleted entire coaches, entire accounts. We've shown that logging into different accounts, that data is visible back and forth in the application, and that data persists and exists because it's all sitting in the back-end database that my site is going and retrieving. So thank you very much. Let me know if you have any questions. I had fun in this class. It was very challenging, but I learned a lot. Thank you.